Gentlemen, please state your name and answer the first question. Why did you select the Handbook for Boys as the book for a group of middle school age young men to read?
My name is A.V. Crummie, and I selected the book just because it was very concrete, and it tells you life lessons and real life type stuff. And I like The Marvelous World, but personally I'm not a sci-fi fan, and I feel like not as many people would kind of get into the sci-fi aspect of that book.
My name is Kelvin Reid, and in considering the options, I felt like there were some definite criteria we needed to meet to address the issue of what really would engage our students, A, and then B, the quality of what it is they'd be reading. I personally, like A.V., am not a sci-fi fan. So for me, initially, I wasn't caught up with The Marvelous World. But as I read it, I did find it to be very interesting. I felt, however, that it offered some difficulties as far as making some immediate connections that Handbook for Boys really provided. I mean, it's very concrete. It's set in a world that is immediately recognizable to the kids. They have some previous history, some background knowledge that they can relate to. And there again, I felt it also addressed some of our very, very much salient concerns, in that as mentors to these younger kids, this very much in a concrete way addressed some of those issues. The relationship between Duke the barber and Jimmy, the kid who's gotten into some troubles.
So how would you describe the readability of the book for a group of young middle school age young men?
I feel like it's great, and I love the imagery of the book. It's very detailed, and it shows life experiences that most young black boys have experienced, like going to the barbershop, seeing the older guys, talking about life experiences with the older guys. Just, it's very concrete in the way of showing the setting and like tying together with other black boy settings.
And I thought it was great, if we look at it at a conceptual level, how it addressed relationships between youth and more mature individuals, and just the different perspectives that they bring to the table, and how we can learn from each other. I thought it was really kind of wonderful in that regard.
Any takeaways that you'd like to share without giving away certain clues about the book?
I took away just being more acceptive of people who are older than me. I took that sometimes, just gotta sometimes take it and just understand that they're more experienced than me. And, yeah.
In that same regard, I think the real lesson here is that we're lifelong learners, and that learning has to be a continual process, and we evolve. Regardless of what age we are, we evolve and we grow.